Take minute. Sir, we have to contact, and I am doing what? Contacting people who are
You please share that contact and drop a message कि Maithil Sharan Gupta is a former DGP of Madhya Pradesh of 1984. He had remained the DGP Railway, DGP Home Guard, Civil Defense and Disaster Management. He was the DG Police Reform. He was the IGP Operations Kashmir. He served in various things, and he has conceived a plan which has been accepted by the government of India as a Crime Free Bharat National Police Mission under Micro Mission 06, right? And he would like to collaborate with you. Please give a patience hearing and try to help out for this great transformation of our country. You can just drop a message, and rest of the things I will handle at my level. Because what I am starting, that ice is not being broken. They have not been told. It will be too late. It is the 10th May. You see that if they collaborate, and on the 10th May and on the 13th May, when the result would be declared, they will be having the crown of the chief minister. Who would not like to be the chief minister? Tell me, who would not like to be the chief minister? Who would not like to be the minister? And at the same time, they are having a big army of the Chanakya to transform this country. Even the moderation of the transforming this country is not on the Chandraguptas. But somebody has to tell them. Okay, so let me make my point very straight. Can you prepare a list and share with me and drop a message to them that I am so, my friend, or whatever the way you want to say, that he will be contacting you. He would be more than happy to collaborate with you. I hope you would like mission and you would like to proceed with us. The benefit could be, we will have the crime-free Bharat, we will have the corruption-free Bharat, there will be no taxation, there will be no botheration of somebody will be raiding you, somebody would be humiliating you, somebody will be seizing your account, and he will ruin you. At present, the people are being ruined. The people, those who should be garlanded and who should be worshipped, the people who should be respected for their contribution, they are being humiliated. And the people, those who are raiding their houses, do you know they are looting their sampati? They are taking away money, they are taking away this, that, because they feel this bugger cannot really report it. Is that not the reality on the ground, Mr. Harish? Is it not the reality on the ground? So it is happening. Give them, हॉर्स को बताओ कि मैथिली शरण गुप्त आ गए हैं आपको पानी पिलाने के लिए. This is not being told. You have already killed a lot of time. I